Today I wanted to talk to you about this car charger that I purchased about 3 months ago. It's from Nexcon. It's 6.6 amps, 33 watts, and it has 3 USB ports. So you can, as you can see, there is a one USB port with 2.4 amps, one 2.1, and another 2.1. It's a rapid charger, and it uses smart IC technology, and it's will charge all your devices that use USB ports to charge. So here it is, and it looks very nice. I mean, I use two of these ports. One of the port I use for my drive cam, and another port, the big that gives 2.4 amps. I use it for my cell phone, and it charges so fast. I had previous chargers, and they cannot compare even close to this one. This one is great. I love it so much, and it helps me a lot. Also, what is smart sense technology? Smart sense technology intelligently identifies your device, and it seeks to maximize its charging speed. So it's trying to charge it as fast as possible, your device, and it safely protects your device from overheating. And it has LED. As you can see right here, there is a little hole. There is LED lights. If it's LED lights on, it means your charger is working, and if there is something wrong with your charger and it's not working, the LED lights would not come on. Another thing is, it automatically stops working when overcurrent or over voltage is detected. So if there is something wrong with your car and it's sending wrong voltage, this charger will just shut off, so your devices would not get damaged. And one more thing, this charger will never get hot. It never overheats, and it's made from high quality material, and it's fireproof material, and also material it's made from anti-oxidation aluminum pull tab. Maybe you didn't, but I had before with my other chargers. So when I plug in my charger, the other ones in my car, and it interferes with Wi-Fi devices or Bluetooth, so you can hear the static in the car. This never happens with this one. This is very nice charger, and I enjoy using it I'm enjoying to use it for over 3 months now, and over 3 months I never had any problems with it. So I got it from Amazon, and it's not expensive. You can get it on Amazon for $9.99. I got it from $9.99. I don't know for how much you can get it now. I think it's probably about same price. So I can include link down below, so you guys can go, and if you want it, you can purchase it. So that's my review of this charger. Have a nice day. Bye bye.